So yeah, we're gonna play the Twitter pitch challenge. So Twitter is known for its 280 character limit on every tweet, and sometimes that makes it a little difficult to convey your thoughts. So, so it takes about 20 seconds to speak 280 characters. So we want to transfer this challenge to you to explain to us Vibrant Moon in 20 seconds. But we won't make it easy. We also want you to use one emoji and one hashtag in your tweet. Any questions?
No questions.
So that's your stopwatch, and you can start in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right. So Vibrant Moon is a place where we're building a culture to change the tide, how industry functions, to change the tide how businesses function, to change the tide how people work together or businesses can be seen. Emoji Moon, hashtag change the tide.
Perfect. Oh, wow.
Off to a good start, dude.
Yeah, just under, so it's 19.9 seconds. So yeah, that was actually a great description of like what y'all do.
Yeah, I mean, 19.9 seconds, I'm still baffled by that, but
No, I mean, that is what we do. I mean, it's pretty imbibed in me now, saying this for 5 years.
it's your
But
at a party and someone asks you what you do, that's your little quick one line.
yeah, that's my go-to always. So it's always there. I mean, that was the name. I mean, that's why we also named it Vibrant Moon. Changing the tide with moon, the tide has changed. Always changes the tide. So, and we are a team. We believe we are vibrant people. At least we try to be with our shirts. So
I would fit right in.
Yeah. I definitely wouldn't.
you're vibrant in your heart, Anuj, so